In our last lesson, we were working on an elevation, and let me open that up again. Here it is. And remember, when you open up a file, make sure to click on the Layers tab on the right. And I like to click on this middle icon so that the Layers window remains open. And if I wanted to continue to design, because I only put on one shade right there in the middle, I could continue and add 2 more shades for the other 2 windows. Remember to click on Layer 2 to continue designing. But I want to move on to another example, and that is designing on a photo. So I can either open up a new portfolio by clicking on File, New Portfolio, or I can stay in the same portfolio and just add another canvas. And I can do that by clicking on this icon here. So you can see I've got my first canvas here and my second canvas here. They're both in the same portfolio file. A canvas is basically like another page in a document. And if I want, I can actually name these canvases. And in this example, I'm going to call this one Photo. And I could go back and rename this one Elevation. Now again, we have a lot of information on this whole canvas area and all the features of the canvas, which is in a detailed tutorial on our website, so please make sure to check that out. Alright, I'm ready now to insert a photo onto the canvas, and I can do it by clicking on this Insert Image icon. You can also do it by right-clicking or by clicking on Insert Image right here. But I find using the icons is about the easiest method. So click on the Insert Image icon, and then you want to load your image. Navigate to the folder on your computer where you have your photos, and in this case I'm going to pull in this particular image. And I'll go ahead and click on Insert Image here. There. Now, what you want to do is make your photo larger so that it fills out more of the canvas, because if you're doing this for presentation purposes, remember whatever is in the boundary box here will print out on your paper, or it will show in a JPEG that you've created. So usually you'll want to have a nice large picture for your client. There. Now remember, when you want to size a photo proportionately so that it doesn't distort, pull on a corner handle, any corner handle, and keep your finger depressed on the Shift key as you are pulling. And that way it will maintain its proportions. Now I could lock my photo in place by clicking on this icon up here, and that way the photo will not move. I'm trying to move it with my mouse and the photo just will not move. However, I prefer to lock the entire layer by clicking on the lock button here. And the advantage with that is that now my mouse is not even detecting the photo, so I can freely design on the photo and my mouse will not even detect it. You will love using layers. So remember, you want your base on layer 1 right up here, and then you want to design on layer 2, and so you're going to click on this plus sign here at the bottom. There, you're on layer 2 Layer 2 is highlighted, so you will be designing on layer 2.